Dr. Mini, once a woman conceives, then what is the kind of care she needs to take, and what about the diet? I mean, in India, people keep saying, you need to eat for two. Is it true? And if not, why?
It definitely is not true. You don't need to eat for two people. Your baby's nutritional requirements is hardly any. And you have plenty of stores to give to the baby. The first 3 to 4 months are difficult for many women because of the vomiting. And even though we talk about cravings, I find most people not wanting to eat, rather than asking for extra food, they don't want to eat. And people do lose weight, it's okay. And then husbands come, mothers-in-law come and say she's not having milk, she's not having fruit. Maybe they are not able to have the food. But after 4 months, the people start enjoying their pregnancy. Once the baby starts moving, it is the most wonderful experience you have. And about the diet and exercise, I have something very special to say. Please don't eat anything from outside. Even if you go to the best hotels and the food that you're used to, in pregnancy, somehow many people fall ill. So it is best to avoid all that, especially the cold items like pani puri, chaats and all that. If you want to eat, you're welcome, but make it at home and eat.
So what are the complications which can happen because of eating outside?
You get diarrhea, you get vomiting, and occasionally jaundice, but that's very rare. Basically, it is diarrhea and vomiting. And exercise is a must in pregnancy.
What kind of exercise? I mean, some people even practice like prenatal yoga and all that.
There are lot of areas where they teach yoga. But if you are not able to attend any of those classes, at least walk.
Yeah,
do all your household activities. Sit down. The Indian toilet posture or the squatting is supposed to be very good. Yeah, and another thing in pregnancy is that you should have plenty of iron-rich foods which are obtained from the green leafy vegetables, beetroot, the dry fruits like dates. They're all rich in iron. And if you can, you eat food rich in calcium as well as the common thing which we find here is ragi. It's very rich in calcium. That would be very nice.
So are supplements safe during pregnancy?
We supplement everybody with iron irrespective of what their hemoglobin level, because in India most people are anemic. They have very poor stores to start with, and if the hemoglobin levels don't rise according to the desired values, we do give injections.
Found our information useful? If you found that the video has helped you, please like. Tell us what you think about our videos. Please leave a comment. To watch our other videos, click here.
For more such information related to your health, log on to health.india.com.